So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press home. And then where it says buy, swap, send, and receive, go ahead and select buy. Then at the bottom, press buy again. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and select the type of crypto that you want to purchase here. So in this case, I will use Ethereum as an example. Now you can go ahead and type in the amount that you want to buy. So if you want to do $50, you type in 50. And right below for me it says debit or credit, but for you it could say Apple Pay. Make sure that debit or credit is selected because in this case you want to use a credit card. If all looks good, go ahead and press continue. Then on this next page right here, you have to go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue, and then proceed to the next step where you can type in your credit card information and then proceed that way with the transaction. So yeah, there you go. Pretty simple. That's how you guys can buy cryptocurrency with a credit card here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.